Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. Welcome to the Edu Everybody. Let's experience the education. So in the last video, as we have gone through the introduction part, so it has been done. Now today we will move on to the installation part. So let's install this. Now we will start with the installation part. So what the prerequisite we need for starting with the front end development, or with starting with web development. So first thing we need to understand that there are three things that we have to that we need to, so that we can start with our web development. So first thing we need is, that is a web browser. Second is a laptop. Okay, these two are the basic requirement that we need. And so first you should have a laptop. Second, you can install any web browser of your choice, but I will prefer Chrome. Now the third, you can use Notepad for coding, or you can use any editor of your choice. I will use VSCode. And after that, installing the VSCode, we will install some dependencies which will help us during development. So I hope that you have laptop, you have your browser as well. So there are many of you who are doing the coding on Notepad, so it depends upon you, but I will use the VS Code. So let's move how we can install the VS Code. If you will search here install VS Code, so there will be first website come, this one. I will provide you the link in the description so you can download. So when you go through, it is a Windows 10, so you can click on this one. So the downloading will start. Okay, but I'm not going to install because I have already downloaded, so I will install it here in front of you. So let it be installed. So click on next, then click on next, then click next. So click next and let it be installed. Okay, so as it is installing, so let's wait. So I will come back after getting installed. I will get back to you. So it has been installed. Let's click on finish. Okay, now it has been open. So it's depend upon you whether you choose uh, Notepad for coding, or you choose VS Code. It's all depend upon you. Okay, so here we will write the live server. So that is the only thing you have to install right now. So after getting installed, here live server, here one logo will become live server. So when we will doing the coding, then we have to just click on that and it will take us to the web browser, and there all the coding will be reflected there, like all the UIs will be reflected there what we have made here. So it is getting installed. So I will come back to you after it will get installed. So it has been installed. So as you can see, we have a go live. So when we click on this, so it will take us to the web browser. So for now you have to just do that only. You arrange laptop, you should install a web browser, and depend upon you whether you choose Notepad or any preferable editor. So I will prefer VS Code, and you have to follow the same step as I have followed. Then you have to install just the live server, that's it. So I hope guys that is clear to you. In the next video we will start with the HTML, and we will understand what is HTML and what is HTML document and what is the structure of HTML document. Okay guys, I hope you got it. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.